This is a QX60 from Infiniti, our mid-size SUV. It's our best seller for a lot of reasons. It's won every award there is in terms of safety, resale value, fuel economy, you name it, it's got it. Styling, of course, like all Infinitis. Reliability, 3 rows of seats. You know, this is a family vehicle, but it's built for drivers. You can have a baby's chair in the center row and still get your kids in the 3rd row without removing it. Just an innovation from Infiniti. Of course, safety features, lane departure warning, front-end collision prevention, rear cameras, surround view cameras. You can see all the way around the car when you're parking in tight spots. Another Infiniti first. If you're looking for a mid-size SUV, this is it. So again, quiet, smooth, safe, comfortable. It's got it all. We rarely talk about seats, but the seats in Infiniti, the feedback we get from our customers is overwhelming about the comfort. They don't realize how comfortable the car is until they spend some time in it. And when you're on a road trip, it makes a big difference.